Hello again, this is the Watering Man. This is Spiritual Toolbox number 513. We're continuing in John chapter 4 verse 37. I have it pre-recorded. Here it goes.
Hello again, this is the Watering Man. This is Spiritual Toolbox number 513. We're continuing in John chapter 4 verse 37. Let's start out by reading this from the King James Version. And herein is that saying true, one soweth and another reapeth. Now, covered herein, that's the end. Gar, the translates that as the end. The word tied to that gar, tuto. Then ha, they translate as that. And saying, which is logos. Then esti, which is. Okay, they translate as is, but we covered it more. Then ha, but didn't translate that, but it's ha, the ball thinking, and we covered true. Now that true, and also when that true, is, you don't try to be true, you're not telling, you put your my fingers are crossed behind my back, so I'm up there telling somebody, and I'm saying, this is true, I swear to it. I tell you, man, it's true, don't you believe me? And they're trying to fool them, trying to manipulate them. I'm trying to sell you this vehicle, or trying to, manipulate, trying to take you down on something so I get a better price at it, so I get ahead in life. And then all of a sudden, they walk away, I had my fingers crossed behind my back, so that made it alright. No, it don't. You can't do that crap to God. If you're not doing it emphatically, greenlighting God in these storms of your life, in that eye of the storm, emphatically in hot pursuit, every bit of, that little bit of lightning bolt, all the way down to the Parkland-sized thought process, that love of God, that chop, that zap, is not connected and making that whole thing solid, nothing left of that darkness inside that little ball, that little lightning bulb. Notice I said lightning ball, because when it says God is light, it's lightning. Zap, he's on fire for you, and he's bringing it back so that you get that chav. That lightning turns into, it's incompleted, not connected, but whenever it's green lighted, it comes all the way back to the racham, that little ball. It's coming back to lightning ball of God, all the way down there to the smallest, unbelievably small. You can't see hear, taste, touch, or smell that with your ego in control at all. But with Christ in there, he's chopping that out, skewing out, way out, that darkness out, and that thing's solid. Like solid gold, purified gold down in there. But it's a little bitty. And every time you do that, it's increasing from 1 to 48, 60 in that thought process. And he's magnifying that up with his magnifying glass to a great big ball. And all kinds of little spots under there. But as you stay in him, as you diligently seek him, not crossing your fingers behind your back, so to speak. I'm trying to keep serious. I'll try to crowd to the front of the line, and I don't have to do it God's way. I can do it independent of God. I can snake him a little bit. No, you can't. You're a pure dumbass if you think you can do that. That ego's got to decrease, and God's going to increase, and as he's doing it, he's purifying you. In the thalipsis and in the pyre. The poor. P-Y-R. Like a pyromaniac, okay? It's pronounced poor in that Koine Greek, okay? And the thalipsis, that's that pressure, trials, tribulation, calamities. It's not to condemn you to hell or something, no, it's to purify you. That lightning's coming alive inside you. You don't want to fear God's going to throw us in hell. double-minded bullshit. Come on, all that stuff. Be reasonable. Sit my way, my child. My children won't listen to that bullcrap stuff. My children know and believe that they're truth, coming into truth. They're living in the truth. That God loves them beyond the mere description of words. Complete that. Complete it. Diligently seek Him. Persevere. Go through it. Come on, man. Well, you got the chance. Don't try to take the easy peasy way, and man, I don't like that lightning. Oh God, dang on, I want to get out here in this blackness where there's just like I'm floating and going every which way. I think I'm going my way, but man, I'm floating around here, I can't get over. Firm footing on nothing. Woo! My legs are spinning like crazy, and woo! Up, down, sideways. It's easy peasy though. Woo! Yeah, it's kind of like a roller coaster here, man. Oh, kind of get a little bit car sick. Oh, man. Better eat some more of that vomit. More of that puke. That bullshit thinking. It's like insanity. Doing the same thing over and over and over. Expecting a different result. Vomiting up, it's all floating out there. We'll probably get that back in before I lose something. Eat it, get sick again, vomit it up again. That plumb dumbass, right? Head thinks, I'm gonna do it 'cause I love this stuff. That's the worst kind of worst kind of condition. It's not love at all. Oh, God, dog. Now, after true, that's sincere, pure, genuine, okay? After true, it goes to a word they don't have translated, but the next word after it's one. So the word hati, 3754, and it's got an arrow pointing down to the next word, alas, that they translate as one. Okay, and that's 243. Now it's covered hati. Okay, and it's in there. It's next. Hati, this word. Oops, let me see.
Strong's G 3754. Hati.
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 Alright. Now, let me get here. I want to have pronounced stuff here for you. Okay. It says it's the neuter. 3748 as a conjunction. It's demonstrative and it can mean that, because, or since, okay? Now, if you go down to the neuter, in the etymology, 3748, this because, okay, is pronoun, whoever, whatever, who, which one, what, huh, which one? It's another one, okay? Now, and that comes from 3739 and 5100. Hostis. I think that's the way they pronounce it. Let me see. It's this word.
Strong's G 3748. Hostis.
Yeah, okay.
Hostis.
Pronounce it right. Who, whatever, who. What are we talking about? Which one? Any of that. Okay? That word comes from two words. 37, 39, and 5100. Let's take a look at those. 37, 39. Is that Haas?
Strong's G 3739. Haas.
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 And that's like the etymology in that is 3588. And it's saying which one, what, that one, huh? And it's the counted one, okay? And this comes from 3588, which is that ball, this one, the ball of thinking, okay? It's saying this one right here. God, when God's doing it in truth, that lightning bolt is zapping coming back. Zap! That one's a solid ball of like God's nature, character, authority. It's lightning. Zap! It's the light of God. Okay? That one. And then it comes from this word, 5100. TIS.
Strong's G, 5100. Tease.
Teeth.
Tease.
This certain one. A certain one. This ball right here. God's giving the increase. Don't go out there in those balls that's all dark. Crap thinking. That's not the truth. Huh? God loves you, but don't throw him in hell. I told you shit. Then go to this lightning. Zap! God's increasing. Live in that land of Goshen. There's certain one. Any person or object, a certain one. It's a circular lightning bolt of thinking within one's mind. Remember, zap! And that light's coming, that whole thing's a light, like a lightning bulb, light bulb, but it's lightning, the whole thing, the inside, everything. It's not just a little filament inside like a light bulb, but it's got electricity going through and the whole thing lights up. Huh? No, this is the whole ball. It's lightning now. Because it turned from his incompleted little lightning bolt of God that loved you beyond the mere description of word. Now he's completing it. Zap! Into a ball. In your mind, he's enlightening you. Your understanding of his love. And you're seeing him taste, touch, or smell. God's taken and chopped out some darkness in you. In your mind. All the way down to the Plunkley size, 1 into the negative 35 thought processes. Turn on a little bit of light. Zap! Stay in that light. Okay? That's the truth. Now, hang on a minute. Now that, Hati, which one you're in hot pursuit of, in other words, because this one, I'm in hot pursuit of God, those lightning balls of God. Right? Zap, zap, I'm staying in that stuff, man. I want more. I'm voracious. Right in that truth, that word, alethenos, I think it was what. I'm voracious. I want more of it, more of it. Yes, Daddy, yes. I'm existing into the self-existing one. Through 3 days, 3 ages in this fiery furnace. Oh, yes, it's party time, baby. God's correcting me. He's boiling out this crap stuff and changing it into his right mindedness. This rocket ship is taking off. I'm coming up higher. It's burning up that old junk stuff, that old crap thinking, old poop thinking of my own carnal mind, and it's jettisoning it out the other end correctly, precisely and accurately. So it's lifting that up, lifting my those balls of thinking right up them, spiraling staircase right up into God's rightness. Little by little by little. Zap! That little ball of lightning, is getting greater and greater and greater inside of you. Huh? You're not leaving it buried under your crap thinking. Not germinating it, ashamed of it, because you want to live in the darkness. Huh? No. Live in that land of Goshen. Alright? Now, the Hati, you're in hot pursuit of what? It translated as one. This Allos, A-L-L-O-S, 243, this word.
Strong's G, 243. Allos.
That's another one, another person. Okay? One, and it's talking about, let's just keep going here. Another one. Okay? And another one does what? It soweth. Huh? Another one, it translates as soweth, but it's esti. E-S-T-I, and it's 2076, it's this word.
Strong's G, 2076. ST. ST. Thayer's Lexicon. I me.
Right.
I me.
That's telling you right there, I exist. As you exist, you get another one. Another one. You're showing. It's scattering. It's growing in your mind. I exist back in the God's righteousness. And then it goes down here and says, 3588, the ball of thinking.
Strong's G 3588. Ha.
Oh, the ball of thinking in your mind. This one, that one, the definite article. This ball of thinking in your mind. And then tied to that word, hang on a minute. I'll touch it a little bit. Too long trying to move it up on the Kindle and it highlighted it and stuff. It comes, this other word tied into this ball of thinking, ha, is 4687. S-P-E-I-R-O, this word.
Strong's G 4687. Spido. Spido.
It's to sow or to scatter seed. It's speaking of proverbial sayings. This little zap, these little balls of lightning, this God's love is little incomplete love and lightning bolts. Zap is coming into light as you live, exist. What was that word right before that? Up two words. S-T, and it comes from I, me, E-I-M-I. It's I exist. As you exist in that ball of thinking, the ha in your mind is turning zap. It's scattering, sowing seed or proverbial sayings. God's speaking through you. And you're seeing, hearing, taste, touch, or smell. He's speaking as a prophet, apostle, evangelist, pastor who teaches. The Christ in you, the grace, that influence in your heart, in your mind, down in those little balls or your thought processes. And its reflection out into the divine influence in your heart, in your mind. And it's divine influence, and it's the divine influence in your mind and in your heart, and its reflection out into your lifestyle, everything you do. You say, you speak to just your presence. You'll know a tree by the fruit bear. Just seeds. Will shine. But you gotta stay in that. Live, exist in that land of Goshen. Okay? That's sowing the seed. Oh my goodness, God is sowing it. From within you to outward. Oh my goodness. Are you a good tree? Or are you a bad tree? A bad tree, the ungodly carnal stuff can't produce good stuff. It just produces briars and thorns and stuff. False stuff, facade. If you have any spiritual discernment, you see right through that stuff. Some don't seem right about that. I know they're saying good, well, it seems like good stuff, but it ain't matching up. It's not, I can't feel it like resounding inside of me. I can't feel it that deep. It's not cold to the deep inside. When God's calling in you, that church, that ecclesia inside you, the called out ones, that deep, it's not calling to deep because that deep is false. It's a facade. Whenever the truth was calling out to you, to the ones that was called out, the churches inside you, to him that hath an ear to hear what the Spirit says to the churches, let him hear. God's calling out as you stay in that land of Goshen. Don't go the dark bullshit way of thinking. Oh, yuck. You show that stuff, you're going to reap corruption, destruction, you might get financial gain, charge people $49.95, stuff like that, prostituting the gospel. But you're not getting the gain from God. That's stuff temporary and unsatisfactory. That's superficial stuff. Okay? Alright. Now, so show the seed. Now, that comes from, hang on just a minute. What did I say here? The 4687 is that like sowing the seed, to scatter the seed. It's a proverbial saying. So sayings and stuff is coming out. It's being shined forth. Shine forth. Right? That solid little balls, even as small as this, that's the most powerful thing you can live in. Don't live in that land of Egypt in your mind, that worldly fleshly thinking. Oh my goodness. Not talking about the people living in the natural world, Egypt. That don't, nothing bad on them. I'm talking about this metaphorically inside in your mind. Don't live in that fleshly stinking thinking. Ooh, yeah, that heart of man is desperately wicked and evil above all things. Who can know it? Who wants to know that bullshit? Live in the land of Goshen. Agree. Continually. Diligently seek God. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you. This increase into this rank, this level, 1 to the 48, 16, let God purify your mind. Now, this 4687 in the etymology says it comes from 4685 through the idea of extending. God's extending an invitation. He's calling out to you, the ecclesia, right? He's calling out. This 4685 is S-P-A-O, this word.
Strong's G 4685. Spao.
Spao. Now this is a verb. It's a primary verb, and it means to draw. In the Thayers, it's to draw to oneself. God is drawing you to himself. His love, that little bitty lightning bolt, is zap! Bring it to a full ball of lightning way down inside of you. Way down. Lighten you up. He's drawing you back into himself. Drawing you up so he's putting on wedding clothing. The wedding garments, right? He's embracing you as you live, exist in that light, in that enlightenment, as much as you can. It's going to grow. It's overtaking that darkness in your mind. It's like Jacob wrestling all night through that time of ignorance with God. God touched him in the hollow of his thigh, and a zap! Those things can't be, you can't reproduce those things anymore. And the day star rose in his heart, in his mind, and he started going through all these heating it up things in the daytime. Eclipses, the fire trials, stuff. Well, it's opportunities to change, to keep it green and going. 1, 2, 40, it's growing bigger. It's overtaking it. And there's 3 days, 3 ages in your earthly thinking. He's taken out. There's 6 phases. Night, day. And then the 3rd day, you'll be resurrected, perfected, brought back to God, just like Jesus. 3 days in the tomb, and he was resurrected back to the fullness of life in God. Oh my goodness. Are we not to do it the same way? God's doing it. We just gotta agree. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding, your darkness. In all your ways acknowledge him. Live in the light in the land of Goshen. And he will direct your path. The way that you go, the way that you think. Oh, zap! He'll bring it back to life. That lightning bolts. Oh my goodness. Now, this next word. Okay, there's just and another, and then it goes down to ha, and then reapeth. Okay, left in its first. So I'm going to have to do another recording, but let me go ahead and start on the next word. And. That one we covered before. It's Chi, 2532. And it's doing this. Living in this land of Goshen, and it's drawing near to God in this lightning balls. Keep going. Zap, zap. Bring God's incompleted love to a completed love. Chomp to rachom. Chomp to rachom. Chomp to rachom. In the 3 days, the 3 ages in the earth. Over and over and over and over. 1 to 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. And each thought process is flowing. It's bringing up that spiraling staircase up to that funnel of correction, back to himself, back to a singularity. Whew. Okay. Right? It's both copulative. It's bringing you back into union with God. S-Y-N. And it's cumulative. It's accumulating. That 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. Back to the end in a fixed position. Resting and relying in God's timing, place, order of importance, right there as you're existing. Right? Bring you in. And it says another, that's that Alice again, another way of thinking, another going in, another one of these, just bringing it in, another one, it's an adjective. And it's another one of what? Ha, the ball of thinking. Huh? Another one of these balls of thinking. And then the last word. We'll wrap it up on this one. Thorizo. 23:25. And they translate that as reapeth.
Strong's G 23:25. Thorizo.
Okay.
Thorizo.
Make sure I was remembering that way to pronounce it right. That's a verb. Okay? And it comes from 23:30 in the sense of the crop. It's like a reaping of the crop. Oh man, God's reaping it. He's bringing it up in these 3 days, these 3 ages. In your earthly, fleshly thinking, He's bringing it up, burning it up. Oh crap. Yeah, He's burning it out. That God is thinking, baby, out of your mind. Right? As you sow into Him, zap with all of your mind. Agree into God. See, the 3 days in your earth, it's like you're sowing, reaping. Scattering the seeds all in there. They're bringing them together. God, zap, zap, zap. 1 and 2 to 4. As you diligently seek Him, as you live in that land of Goshen, that little lightning bolt is zapped back to a ball of God's thinking processes. Purified. Zap, another one. Goes from 1 to 2, and then does it again. It goes relies on the 2 plus 1, and another one. Zap! 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's 4. Let's do it again. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Oh, bam! I'll tell you. Zap, zap, zap. 1 to 2 to 4 to 8, 16, 32. Taking over that thing. Well, God's magnifying it up there. That one thought process. Looking at it, examining it. His documento, examining that, dissecting that thing. All those little spots, 35,300 million trillion, e to the negative 18. Thought process, a little bit like grains of sand in that. A little bit of spots in that. He's taking it out, turn them, zap, zap, turn it all back into light. If you'll stay diligently seeking Him, He'll bring you up to what, there's many, many, many levels in that. That's one thought process. Coming up spaghettifying, coming up that, follow correction. God's doing it. He's reuniting you. God gives the increase. God's saving you. Not anybody's me, myself, and I thinking. No. And as you live in that spirit, that grace inside you will reflect out, and it'll do all this apostle, prophet, evangelist, pastor who teaches. You don't have to really, you can speak something just as God directs you. Oh my goodness. God is your exceeding great reward. I am, that's the self-existent one. We're existing back into the great I am. And he'll reap us. Oh, we'll reap what we sow. You sow to that old fleshly thinking, you're going to reap crap, and you're going to stay a black ball. Because you're blackballing God. Because you live in that little balls of lightning, you'll grow in light. In the light of God. In the lightning of God. Thank you. Have a great day. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know if these are helping you. Go over them many, many times. Get this down. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, that one takes care of John chapter 4 verse 37, and I'm working on another thing. It's kind of an in-between verse 37 and verse 38. Something to clarify. Have a great day. Hit like, subscribe, comment on these, pass them, go over them many times.